Hey everyone, my name's James Hannan with
Naomi Joy.
We're from Rise Social Media, where we help you to market and sell your products online. Today we're talking about the Facebook algorithm and how to, get a little bit of an understanding of what it is and how to make it work for you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in and you're going to like, then click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and then hit the bell, and that's going to give you a notification every time we post a brand new video to YouTube.
The thing is, the Facebook algorithms are changing all the time, so it can be impossible for business owners to really know what it is and how to actually hack it so that you get the most engagement for your business.
Because the thing to understand is that Facebook prioritizes through its algorithm the thing that the prospect wants to see. It does that through the things that they've liked, they've commented on, and they've shared in the past, plus also the stuff that they've posted themselves, things that they've put in their interests in their business. There's over 100,000 components of the algorithm, so it's impossible for us to know all of it, but we do know some of it, and that's what you get to learn today.
And the most important thing is that you create great content that people engage with. And then when you do, you're going to get much better results on Facebook.
So if you haven't watched our 3 mistakes that business owners, entrepreneurs are making on their Facebook profiles, then you need to watch the video, 3 mistakes that you're making on your Facebook profile right now. It's going to, or after this video, because it's going to enlighten you in a big way on how to get more interaction, more leads, and more sales on your Facebook profile. But there's 4 things that we do understand, or 4 factors we do understand about the Facebook algorithm.
So number 1 is who posted the content and what interest do they have to the user?
Number 2, when was it posted? Something that was posted even yesterday isn't going to get as much interaction as something that's posted today. Facebook wants us to be keeping relevant and active on our pages and profiles.
So number 3 is what content was posted. Is it the kind of content that the user tends to like to engage with, likes in their newsfeed, and interacts with? And so that's really, really important that we create good content.
And number 4 is engagement. Everyone wants engagement, you need engagement, and Facebook puts a high priority on it.
So what kind of engagement does Facebook put a priority on? So number 1 is comments and replies. So it's really important to get as many comments as you can on your post, but also vitally important that you reply to anyone who comments on your post, because that shows that there's that mutual interest between each other.
Number 2 is shares. How many times is your post being shared? So it's an important part, because when a person shares it, it shows that it's valuable to them and they believe it'll be valuable to others.
And number 3 is reactions. So on YouTube, we like the likes, but on Facebook, the real thing that you want to be going after is the loves, the wows, the ha-has, all of those sorts of things. Those reactions get a higher placement in Facebook algorithm.
And number 4, which was the thing is we used to all go for, but now it's way down the line, is likes. The more likes you can get is going to improve your performance on Facebook.
So we all know that organic reach on Facebook is declining. So it's more important than ever that we utilize these key strategies to boost our business, to get more engagement, and to hack that Facebook algorithm.
Now, the way that you can do that is by grabbing a copy, and it's a free copy, of 17 Facebook post ideas for entrepreneurs. We've put together this ebook. It's almost 30 pages of example posts, things that you can do right now to increase your interaction, get more engagement, and actually get more leads. So if you haven't grabbed the 17 Facebook post ideas for entrepreneurs, the link is down below, underneath here, in the description of this video, and you want to grab that now because it will help you immensely and remove the confusion of going, what am I going to post today? You'll have the answer. So if you like this video, make sure you like it and then you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell. That's going to let you know every time we put a brand new video up on YouTube that'll teach you how to market and sell your products or services online. My name's James Hannan with
Naomi Joy
from Rise Social Media, where we help you to market and sell online. God bless. Have a great day.
Bye.